Hello everyone, my name is Varchasa Agarwal and welcome back to my channel Varchasa Codes. This is the third video of the NumPy playlist in which we are going to start indexing. Before heading towards, subscribe to my channel to never miss an update. In my last video, I told you about NumPy operations. If you didn't watch that video, the link is in the description box. Kindly have a look. Now let's have a quick introduction of what is NumPy. A NumPy is a Python external library used for numerical computations, and it is easy to use as it makes high-level syntax more accessible. It also provides powerful high-dimensional array for faster computations, and you can install this library using the command pip install numpy. I will be publishing more videos in upcoming days. Let's start the code now. I'll be using Jupyter Notebook and recommend you to use the same. First, I will import the required library numpy as np and initializing a 3D array using np.array function and now printing its shape. Now selecting the 0th number of the array, which is 1. Okay, moving forward, now we are selecting the element at first row and 0 column and second index, which is said to be 9. Alright, now selecting 0th value in the first dimension. Alright, now in this manner we can also select the first value in the first dimension. So now we are going to select some values in the third dimension. Pay attention to this one. We are extracting some part of the array. Alright, now we are going to see how we can extract even and from the 3D array. Let's have a quick look. When we will divide the ARR by modulus of 2, it will print all the even numbers in the array. On the other hand, if we will declare ARR2 modulus is not equals to 0, it will print all the odd numbers in the given array. Now what if we want all the even numbers but all are greater than 3? So for this, this will print all the even numbers which are greater than 3. And now for odd numbers which are greater than 3. Okay, so for this will print all the odd numbers which are greater than 3. So what if we want to change any number in the array? For example, we initializing the very first value to 89. So on printing, so now you can see that the value 1 is changed by 89. Okay, so if we want to print some numbers at some indices, let's initialize some another 1D array with some numbers from 1 2 3 4 5 6 and some indices array 2 3 and 4 and printing numbers at these indices. Okay. So we can see that the number at 2 is 3, the number at 3 is 4 and the number at 4 is 5. So this marks the end of our video. Thanks for watching out this. I have also written a Medium article for better understanding. I will give all the related links in the description box. If you are having any doubt, do connect with me on LinkedIn or Insta. See you all in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.